o'clock, an earthquake jolted a lot of people right out of bed overnight, a 4.0 magnitude in the East Bay. Here's where it happened, centered just 2 miles northeast of Fremont, right on the Hayward Fault. A familiar warning here. Scientists say the Hayward Fault is due for a major quake. NBC Bay Area's Marianne Favreau is in Fremont near the fault line. Marianne.
Raj, the epicenter of this morning's quake was right here in the Niles district of Fremont, right on the Hayward Fault, a fault that more than 2 million people are living on top of.
It was the roller, and you can hear it roar, and it was one of those intense ones, you know, that you were kind of scared. It got a little scary. I thought it was going to be one of those big ones, you know, that we're waiting for.
Fortunately, the quake that rattled people awake near Fremont at 2:41 this morning was not the big one. It measured 4.0. U.S. Geological Survey scientists say the epicenter was on the Hayward Fault, 2 miles northeast of Fremont.
These earthquakes occurred at a depth of about 5.5 or 6 miles below the surface.
Scientists say the Hayward Fault, which runs from San Pablo Bay to south of Milpitas, is the most densely populated fault in California, with an estimated 2 million people living on it. They also say the fault has been very busy the last 15 years. These yellow dots represent thousands of small quakes recorded since the year 2000, distinctly different from the activity recorded on the San Andreas Fault. So did today's quake relieve any stress on the Hayward Fault?
And the answer is no.
Scientists have calculated that there's a 31% chance we will see another big one on the Hayward Fault in the next 30 years.
It could happen tomorrow, it could wait 30 or 40 or 50 years, but eventually the Hayward's just going to pop.
UC Berkeley is testing an early alert system. I just checked with researchers and they told me it worked. It gave them a 3-minute warning before the actual quake hit. BART is also testing the system. Reporting live in Fremont, Marianne Favreau, NBC Bay Area News.
Very valuable, that 3-minute warning. Thank you, Marianne.